Salut les amis, mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue à une autre édition de Speaker Savoir. Welcome to another edition of Speaker Savoir. Et nous sommes ici pour vous aider à bien parler français. If you're ready for today's expression, of course, c'est parti! Today we're going to look at one of my favorite expressions, and it's oh la la. Oh la la, very wonderful expression. It's a classic French expression that is used to express intense emotion, reaction, and it could be negative or positive. So it may express surprise, disappointment, shock, or failure, or joy, excitement, whatever. So you have to really look at the context once again to know how the person is using oh la la, or even if you want to use oh la la, just be mindful of the context. Alright? So let's look at some examples. Exemple 1. Oh la la, je n'arrive pas à croire qu'il a gagné au loto. Oh la la. Wow, I can't believe he won the lottery. Oh my god, the lottery. Okay, so there it's an expression of surprise. Okay, so oh la la. So now you understand that that context is the context of surprise. Okay. Alors, exemple 2. Oh la la, c'est ta nouvelle voiture. C'est top. Alright. Wow. Is this your new car? It's super. It's top notch. You understand? Another expression of surprise. Okay? Let's look at the third example. Exemple 3. Oh la la! No, sorry. This is not a surprise. This one should go like this. Oh la la, il a perdu son boulot. Quelle mauvaise nouvelle. Alright? Do you notice the difference now? This one is actually maybe disappointment or pity, empathy, sympathy, something like that. I don't know. Okay? So, oh no, he's lost his job. What bad news. Okay? So, understanding the context will inform you on even how to express the oh la la. Let's go into the pronunciation now. Oh la la. Oh la la. Good job. Bon travail. Bon travail. You're doing good. Okay, so thank you once again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share your comments. N'oubliez-vous et n'oubliez pas d'abonnez-vous. Je suis fatigué. Oh là là. Au revoir.